Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a updated what's on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. And the reason why I wanted to do this video today is because obviously Apple has had a new update. Forget what it's called, it will be in the title. So yeah, I wanted to share with you guys what my updated iPhone looks like as far as the layout, because everybody's been going crazy with the layout, and I just wanted to share with you guys because I did change mine up, which was very hard for me to do because I'm just very simple. I don't like to do too much. So yeah, let's jump into, but before we jump into today's video, I did want to say if you guys could please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up at the end if you did decide you like it. But yeah, I would greatly appreciate it if you guys would subscribe. So if you guys would like to see what is on my iPhone 11 Pro Max, then just keep on watching. Okay, so when you first open up my iPhone, it's just a plain background. Like I said, I don't really do much with my phone just because, I don't know, I'm just plain. So yeah, once it's opened up, my first screen is just my calendar at the top, photos, podcast, maps, weather, and then the battery for my phone. And then also when my Apple Watch is charged, that'll show up as well. And then it has the day and time in the middle or the bottom. And then I have my Apple Music or my iTunes or whatever. And I have so many songs. Let's see how many I have, because I'd like to always, oh, it doesn't even tell you anymore. That's crazy. Yeah, I have a lot of songs. 251 messages. Most of those are spam, so don't worry. I don't know 251 people. Safari and all that. And I'll explain to you guys later on how I got the pretty little backgrounds and stuff, which honestly I don't like anymore, because I'll show you right now. So when you click it, it goes like that. Do you see what I mean? It's kind of annoying, and sometimes it just doesn't work. I think it's really pretty, and I think it'd be great if it didn't do that every time I opened it up. It's frustrating, and then sometimes it'll just freeze and won't even get me to the weather. And honestly, I don't like how much, where I don't know where anything is, to be honest. Because before I would just have all my apps, just spread out all over the place, and it was easy for me because then I was like, oh yeah, I know where that is, you know. The next slide over, I have, it's called Widget Smith. That's what you're going to need to use to do all those pretty little, icons or whatever. And then I have another Widget Smith. I don't know why there's two on there. Stocks, notes, and then I have random, which is my Apple TV news, home. And then photography, so it has all my camera, FaceTime, Zoom, my settings. Everything's pretty unorganized because I was rushing when I was doing this. So yeah, that's why it looks like that. And then for my productivity folder, I have calendar, my mail, and my files. And then the next one over is photo and video. I have YouTube, YouTube Studio, and YouTube Tracker. I use all three of those all the time. And then I have my alarm system company. And then I have an engagement ring right there. Then I have my messenger, which this is so pretty. But do you guys see what I mean? How all the time it just flicks on like that? It's so annoying. But it's all cheetah print. That's cute. I don't know how long I'm going to keep it on here though, because honestly I'd rather just have it back to normal so I could avoid all these issues. What's the worst? When your camera dies in the middle of filming. Back to what I was talking about. Next up is utilities. I have color widgets. So you're going to need color widgets in Widget Smith in order to do this. I'll link the TikTok to help you figure this out. I'll link it in the description box because I would be here all day just explaining it. So yeah, I'll link that in the description box below so you can know what to do. Okay, and then next up is social networking. So like I said, everything's disorganized. I have Like to Know It, Facebook, Instagram, Canva, Snapchat, and Messenger. Again, The reason why there's two of them because you can't delete your original one, or you're supposed to like hide it. I don't know. like when you switch it out, like the cover or whatever. But for Instagram, you guys should definitely follow me on there. My Instagram name is Sonia's Lifestyle. So yeah, check me out on Instagram. I'm always on there. And then I have utilities, and utilities I have voice memos, compass, measure, calculator, my Apple Watch, which is dead all the time, fitness, contacts, and translate, which translate is new on the iPhone update, which that's also, I didn't even explain what's new on here. So the new iPhone update, like when you swipe all the way left, this is what it looks like, kind of like a little bit different. And then also when somebody calls, it'll like pop up at the top, and then it won't close out your whole screen. And then if you scoot all the way back there, it shows your app library, so you can search the apps you want to watch. I mean, the apps you're looking for. So that's pretty much what's new. Then they offer translate. What else is there? Like small stuff. I'll link a video like explaining everything that is new. Obviously, I can't remember off the top of my head. So next folder is productivity. That just has Keynote, iTunes, Pages, Numbers, iMovie, GarageBand, Clips, Apple Store, iTunes Store, Shortcuts, Tips, and Find My iPhone. Which Shortcuts is, I don't know. I really don't know what the heck is like what Shortcuts is. And then I have my games, which is Candy Crush and Escape Room, which I definitely suggest downloading Escape Room if you're super bored. Like, it will literally have you thinking forever. It's pretty entertaining though. And then I have weather again, and then I have my the Canon mini print app, because I have my Canon Ivy, which I love. I actually just printed out a picture while my battery was charging of me and Maddie. Isn't that so cute? And then I have Toca World. My daughter loves that game, so that's why it's downloaded on my phone. And then under finances, I'll have my banking and then my insurance. And then for lifestyle, I have my iRobot, Amazon Alexa, Realtor.com, Gizmo Hub, Genie, and this is illustration. I downloaded it. It's just to make you it's just to edit your photos. I wouldn't suggest getting it. It kind of sucks, to be honest. Then I have my entertainment folder, which is Disney, Netflix, Investigation Discovery Go. I love crime stuff, so I had to download that on my phone, because when I get bored, I start watching videos and stuff. And then Paramount. And then there's this one called Folder, which it should be called like food and stuff, and it just has like Chick-fil-A, Einstein Bros, Tasty, Starbucks, and Nespresso. And then I have healthcare, which is just the Under Armour run, and then Flow app, which I highly suggest if you're a girl getting the Flow app. Honestly, it has helped me track and keep track of my monthly period. So yeah, I would suggest downloading that if you want to like keep track of it and stuff, and see if your cycles are always, because if you space out a lot like me, sometimes I'm like, oh crap, should be getting my period already, Sorry if it's TMI for you guys. And then the next one is shopping, my favorite one. It has Victoria's Secret, Pink Nation, Ulta, Target, Amazon, Mercari, Poshmark, Reward Style, TJ Maxx, QVC, IKEA, Bed Bath & Beyond, which I should probably edit that more, because there's some stuff that should be in that folder. And I have lifestyle, I have the Google Home and the Nest in the Ring. So the Nest is a camera you could just put into your living room or somewhere inside of your house, and it records 24/7. Google Home is my little Google Home dock that I keep in the kitchen, and I can listen to music while I'm cooking, which I do all the time. And then my Ring, which I have but I don't use it, which I should sell it because I don't need it anymore because of my insurance company. Then Walmart, Zillow, AT&T Thanks, and the Nextdoor app. I would suggest downloading the Nextdoor app if you own a house, rent a house, even apartment. I'm not sure if it works for apartments, honestly. It's just like basically kind of like Facebook Marketplace. It's like your community around you, and you know, people update what's going on in the community or who's selling what or services, stuff like that. It's really useful, honestly. Then I have easy to pay apps. QuadPay, Afterpay, Klarna, Zelle, Venmo, Square. And then finances, TurboTax, ADP, Credit Karma, APM, Mobile Edge, I don't know what that is, GM Financial, Progressive, all that other crazy stuff that I don't really use. So yeah, that's everything that is on my iPhone. There's really not much. Let me see if there's any, yeah, there's not really anything on my phone. Just the stuff I showed you. But yeah, the two apps to get your phone to look like this is the Widget Smith and the color widgets. But yeah, like I said in the beginning, I will link that down below of the TikTok so you guys can learn how to do that. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.